How to enable text message notifications on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can enable text message notifications on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up settings in your device. Once you're under settings, scroll down, head over to notifications. Under notifications, tap on the first option, that is app notifications. Once you're here, tap on this drop down here, then tap on all apps. Once you land on this interface, scroll through it and search for your messages application on your Android device. Once you find the application, tap on it. That's gonna take you to this page. Now to turn on the messages notifications, all you have to do is turn on this toggle right here, and with that now you will receive all of the notifications from your messaging application on your Android device. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.